How is everybody? What I'm going to be doing is expanding Saturn square. Everybody knows that square is 81, so is Venus 81. Saturn is 93. 27 times 3 or 31 times 3. Note that 31 is go to jail in Monopoly. So here's how it goes. You multiply it. Times 1 is the base of Saturn square. Times 2 of Saturn square gives me the beta, the alpha and the beta. So everything works from here. 8, 9, 4, 6, 1, 5, 7, 2, 3. Now we multiply it by 3 to bring them both together. And we're only going to end up with 3 numbers. Base of Saturn square is 3 times equals to 3, 9, 6 equals to 9, 6, 3 equals to 6, 3, 9. That is your 3. Now if you multiply it by 4, that is your Mars connection. This is your Earth, this is your Mars. So when you multiply it by 4, this becomes 7, 9, 8. This becomes 3, 2, 1. This one becomes 5, 4, 6. 4 and 6 when multiplied becomes the same number again. Now we're going to bring it to number 5. Number 5 is over here. Saturn square is 2, 9, 1, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, and 6. The difference with all these, when I'm finished off, I'm going to show you times, did we do times 6? So we do it times 6, right? This will become 6, 9, 3. This will become 9, 3, 6. And this will become 3, 6, 9. When you multiply it times 7, I'm not sure if I did this one yet, times 7, times 3, times 2. This is times 1. Times 7 is going to be 1, 9, 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, 7, 6. Notice the way 7 and 6, Mars and Earth, 7 and 6 is Mars and Earth. Hold on a second. So here is what happens. When we multiply it by 3, it becomes 3 times 4 is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 by 9 is 27, 2 and 7 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6. So we multiply it by 3, add it to a single digit. So in the house of 2, it's all 15s. In the house of 3, it's all 18s. O and R. O and R. The reverse is I and L. Saying loisir or gold, if you'd like. 9 and 6 rotation. Then when you come to times 4, Earth and Mars, it becomes 15, 24, 6, 15, 18. Then times 6 is all 18s, 3, 3, 3, 18s and 9, representing only I and R. So that is the actual conversion. When I multiply it by 7, it's all 15s, 5, 8, and 2 15s. So we know that the original of the base and 7 is all 15s, 4, 9, 2, 15, 15, 15, all around 15. When we add them this way, it becomes 15, 15, and 15, 15, 15, and 15, 18, 18, and 18, 15, 15, and 15. So multiplying it by 4, multiplying it by 1, multiplying it by 2, and multiplying it by 7 is not all. Actually, 7's a little different because over here we have 24 and 6. So it's going to relate to number 4 and 7 is going to relate to each other. And then this one over here, 14, 15, this one's all 15. So we can see how everything is related, because what we do is we multiply it to be able to change the spots by changing the spots on the cube by multiplying. So although you see the base, once I multiply this, if I multiply this by 4, it'll become 4. This will become 3. So let's do this. We're going to go over the cube, and we have the 6 opposite of the 1. So what we're going to do is 4 times 1 is 4. 4 by 6 is 24. 2 and 4 is 6. So that's going to be a conversion. So that would be the 1 and 6 conversion. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the 2 and 5 conversion. Right? In the 2 and 5 conversion, 4 by 2 is 8. 4 by 5 is 20. Right? We're going to do, the 5 and 2 conversion, which 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. We do the 1 and 6 conversion. Right? Let me see if I can get this. This will come together. Now, 1 and this will be 4, and this will be 6. So these two are now going to come together. And the last one, okay, which is the 3 and 4 conversion, is 4 by 3 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3, 4 by 4 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7, and now these two will come together. So our cube is going to look like this. It's going to look like 2, 8, 4, 6, 3, 7. So if I had to create this cube this way, what we're going to do is over here, I'm going to put the 2, over here the 4, and over here the 3. And then the opposite side of 4 is the 6 on the bottom. The opposite side of 3 will be the 7, and the opposite side of the 2 is going to be the 8. And that's the way your cube. So it's going to be 9, 2, 4, and 3 coming together is 9. And 8, 6, and 7 coming together is 21. Raphael 7286, and reconforming numbers. That's my thing. Thank you for watching this video.